Hey guys, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a uh, kind of a sad series of announcements here. First of all, as everyone knows, that UP 844 UP is a Northern Steam Engine 844 struck and killed a pedestrian recently. CSX F707 in Marshville, North Carolina, struck and killed I believe a 19-year-old, and NS-154 actually struck and killed someone in Clarkston, North Carolina. Um, First of all, my prayers go out to all the families, and especially the families of all the crews and the families of NS, CSX, and Union Pacific. Um, don't know what to say on this. I mean, I don't know much, but as far as I know, that all three of these people have died. I can say that much. So So please keep in your prayers the families of the people of the victims, and please keep your thoughts. Please send some prayers to NSUP and CSX during the times of sadness, sadness and sadness and grief. So I thought I would bring you guys a little update on this. I don't know very much. I do have a series of announcements that I will present in the next video. So please keep those people in your thoughts and prayers during this time. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you in the next video.